Dumelang bomme le bontate. Hello ladies and gentlemen, we are continuing with our lesson in Sepedi. Remember, I said stick around and remain consistent in watching my videos so that you can develop your fluency and confidence in Sepedi. Whether you want to learn to impress your girlfriend or your mother-in-law or your boss, or you just want to develop yourself generally, stick around. I'm here for you. You are in good hands. Without wasting any time, let me just highlight what we are going to do today. I'm just going to give you 3 words that are related to cooking, and then for each I'm going to give 2 examples so that we don't bombard you with a lot of information that you are not going to be able to assimilate and process. So I believe even if we crawl, as long as we are consistent, we are going to be successful. Now, the first word that we are going to learn is Apeya. Apeya. That is to cook. To cook. Apeya. Apeya. To cook. So the examples that I'm going to give for that word is Ki apeya dijo. Ki apeya dijo. Ki apeya dijo. I am cooking food. I am cooking food. Ki apeya dijo. That's simple, right? The second example for that is Bumma ba apeya nama. Bumma ba apeya nama. Let me just say it slow. Bumma ba apeya nama. Now is mom is cooking meat. Mom is cooking meat. And remember that bumma is plural. However, because we are trying to respect the mother who's cooking meat, we are going to say bumma. But that's a generic term for saying mothers. However, we are referring to one mother. If you were there in the previous lesson, you might have picked it up that when we are referring to a single mom, because we want to honor her, we want to respect her, we are going to refer to her as if they are many. So mom is cooking meat. Bumma ba apeya nama. Let's move along to the second word. Now, the second example for the word that's relating to cooking is mollo. 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 Now, remember on this one, you're going to have to drag the double L because there's a reason why they used double L. They didn't use a single L. So, because it's double L, you're going to say mollo. Right? You're not going to say mollo. Mollo. There's a huge difference. When it's one L, you can say mollo, which we don't have such a word, unfortunately. But you're gonna have to adjust to this. You're gonna have to make yourself aware each time when you speak that it's double M, it's mollo, which means fire. Fire. When you want to say fire, just say mollo. Mollo. It's almost like you say mollo, 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 mollo. Not mollo, not mollo. It's 2 different things. Now, first example for mollo is mollo wa fisha. Mollo wa fisha. Mollo wa fisha. That is to say, the fire is hot. The fire is hot. Mollo, fire, is wa fisha, hot. So mollo is fire, wa is, and fisha is hot. Now the second example is bia pitša godimo ga mollo. Bia pitša godimo ga mollo. Put the pot on top of the fire. Put the pot on top of the fire. Bia pitša godimo ga mollo. Put via the pot pitša on top godimo of the fire ga mollo. That's pretty simple, right? Via, put, Pitša, the pot. Godimo, on top of the fire. Ga mollo, via Pitša godimo ga mollo. Put the pot on top of the fire. Now we're moving along. The third word is going to be Pitša. Pitša. As we've used the word Pitša, you already know that Pitša means the pot, right? The pot. Pitša. Pitša, the pot. Pitša, the pot. Right? So now the first example for the pot is gonna be ke hlatswa Pitša. Ke hlatswa Pitša. Ke hlatswa Pitša. I am washing the pot. I am washing the pot. I'm washing the pot. Ke hlatswa Pitša. Ke means I am. Washing, hlatswa Pitša, the pot. I'm washing the pot. That's it. The second example is going to be Pitša e tletše metsi. Pitša e tletše metsi. Pitša e tletše metsi. Pitša e tletše metsi. The pot is full of water. The pot is full of water. Pitša e tletše metsi. Pitša, the pot. E tletše, it's full. Metsi, of water. Pitša, the pot, is full. E tletše of water. Metsi. Right? That's Pitša e tletše metsi. Ke hlatswa Pitša. Ke hlatswa Pitša. Pitša e tletše metsi. I'm washing the pot. The pot is full of water. Thank you very much. I hope you have enjoyed and you have learned something. Please write something in the comment section below just to test your knowledge on the things that we have said, or your understanding rather, and then I'll correct you and we will engage. Thank you very much. Stay tuned. See you in the next